The Ecotank L8050 stands out for its heat-free printing technology, which not only reduces energy consumption but also supports environmental sustainability and lowers operational costs. This makes the printer an efficient option for users. Moreover, the L8050 features an advanced print head technology that facilitates quicker and more accurate ink delivery. This enhancement significantly elevates the overall quality of prints, marking a critical development in the printing sector. With a maximum print resolution of 5760 by 1440 dpi, the L8050 improves upon the quality of its predecessor, the L8050, while boosting printing speed. This improvement is vital for those engaged in professional photo printing. In addition, the L8050 is capable of handling thicker paper types, accommodating prints of up to 300 GSM. This versatility caters to a diverse array of printing requirements. Furthermore, the maintenance of the L8050 is designed with user convenience in mind, featuring easily replaceable components such as the pickup roller. This aspect simplifies upkeep compared to older models that often require extensive disassembly. To maximize performance and longevity, it is advisable to invest in separate printers for document and photo printing, thereby reducing wear on the L8050's maintenance box. This strategic approach helps sustain the printer's lifespan and ensures print quality. Epson printers often encounter maintenance service errors once the waste pads reach a predetermined counter, requiring prompt action to prevent malfunction. Thus, addressing hardware issues is essential for ongoing performance. The video showcases the advancements in speed among the latest printer models, which enhances efficiency for both text and photo printing, offering considerable benefits to everyday users. In terms of challenges, common issues arise from wear and tear on pickup rollers that result from friction technology. Such wear can lead to feeding problems and jams, necessitating timely replacements. Transitioning from physical storage, like CDs, to digital cloud services is fundamentally transforming our approach to data management and accessibility. These shifts illustrate the ongoing evolution of technology. Moreover, the durability of printed materials heavily relies on ink quality and environmental exposure, underscoring the necessity of selecting the right materials for achieving long-lasting results. Today's printers provide multiple connectivity options, including USB and Wi-Fi, significantly enhancing user convenience and streamlining the printing process to make it more efficient and accessible. The choice of specific inks in digital printing varies depending on business requirements, with small businesses often preferring pigment inks for sublimation. Understanding this distinction is crucial for selecting the appropriate products. Warranty terms play a critical role, as using non-approved replacement inks can void the warranty, which typically lasts 2 years or covers up to 50,000 prints. Users must exercise caution when selecting ink. Innovations like the maintenance box and chip reset methods have enhanced printer management. Staying informed about these updates can significantly improve user experience and extend the lifespan of the printer. Proper printer maintenance involves avoiding overuse and not overloading paper trays. Regularly checking moving parts can help prevent potential malfunctions. Advancements in technology have also led to changes in printer mechanisms, including the elimination of older sensor systems. Understanding these developments enables users to transition smoothly to new printing systems. Following the manufacturer's manual for setup and initialization is paramount to avoid common errors. Adhering to proper guidelines can significantly enhance the printing experience and operational efficiency. The video further emphasizes the significance of consulting the manual for correct installation and operational procedures, ensuring that users follow essential steps for successful setup. Notably, changes in print head compatibility and design have been observed, indicating that older models may not work seamlessly with newer cartridges. This is a crucial consideration for users aiming to upgrade or replace components. The video provides a comprehensive explanation of downloading drivers and setting up printers across various operating systems. This guidance caters to users with different levels of technical expertise. Lastly, ensuring that the printer is configured for borderless printing is essential for achieving full-page outputs. This particular setting can considerably influence the final print quality and overall appearance. Additionally, the video touches on the importance of maintaining printer readiness. Keeping the printer in an open state and ready for use can help minimize errors and enhance printing speed. Finally, the accuracy of colors in printed materials can be impacted by printer settings. The video highlights that even in the absence of color correction, prints can still appear vibrant and visually appealing.